Hi there, I'm Jessica Varnado-Swall from San Diego Continuing Education. And in this YouTube Search Strategies video number 3, I'll be covering some tips for conducting a YouTube search. This video will cover YouTube search filters, including upload date, type, duration, features, and sort by. So let's get started. First of all, you'll need to go to the main YouTube page at youtube.com. Next, you'll need to put in the search terms you want to search for. Let's say Zoom update. As you know, Zoom is constantly coming out with new updates and improvements and refinements on their software, so I think this is a good search term for us to use. Now, when you see the Zoom update search results down here, you'll notice they are from many different times. So, for example, this one was made 4 weeks ago. This one was made 8 months ago, 3 months ago. So, none of these are the latest Zoom update. I mean, I had to update Zoom this week to a new major update. So, often you will want only the latest update. So, there's a way to do this using YouTube search filters. So, click over here where it says Filter, and you'll see they have some different filters you can use. You can filter by upload date, type, duration, features, and sort by. So let's take a look at upload date. So like I said, this latest Zoom update was just this week. So I'm just going to say we could choose this week or we could choose this month, for example, for something that was the latest. Let's choose this week. And now you'll see there's 1 day ago, 6 days ago, 4 days ago, and so on. And you'll only see results that are the very newest. Of course, you could always really refine your results to get only today or only within the last hour. Possibly there's some search terms that you will want something that up to date. Now, upload date is only one of the filters you can choose from here. I'm going to go ahead and let go of that. You can also filter by type. So in my previous videos, I've talked about using search terms to only search by channel or playlist. You can also do those here. You don't have to write in the correct letters and colons and everything like I showed you previously. You can just click them here. So in this case, searching for Zoom updates, it makes the most sense to search by video. But perhaps you're trying to find a good YouTube channel for like technology for teachers or something like that. You can also do a channel search or a playlist search, and it will be similar results to what you would get using the instructions in my previous video. You can also filter by duration. So if you just want something very short and to the point, you can filter it by short here. So let's try doing that. And all of these videos in the search results will be very short, under 4 minutes. But it could be you want to find a very detailed tutorial video and you'll want to go longer. So more than 20 minutes, for example. And again, you can just click on that X to get rid of that filter. There also might be times that filtering by feature could be useful. I'm not sure that any of us really need to be showing 4K video for our classes, but if you want very high quality, you can select it here. You can also select for HD, Creative Commons. There's just so many different features you can search by. So feel free to experiment and see if there are some features you'd like to search by. But the one that I find myself using the most is subtitles or closed captions. As I'm sure most of you are aware, accessibility is a key issue in providing equitable education for our students. And any video you provide to students will need to be closed captioned or subtitled. So this is a useful feature to search by, but I do have a word of warning. Closed captions must include correct spelling, grammar, and punctuation. Now, YouTube does have auto subtitling on many of its videos, but this is not adequate closed captioning to meet accessibility guidelines. So just keep that in mind. And many more creators these days are editing their subtitles and closed captions to be grammatically correct and include capitalization and punctuation, just to keep in mind. The last filter category is sort by. You can sort by relevance, upload date, view count, or rating. I usually find that sorting by relevance is the best because it's going to give you results that are the closest to your search terms. But you're welcome to use some other category to sort by and see what gives you the best results. Let's review what we learned in this video. In this video, we covered the YouTube search filters, including upload date, type, duration, features, and sort by. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned a new tip or two about searching YouTube. If you're interested in learning more on this topic, please check out the previous 2 videos of the series. Please feel free to connect with us. Thanks.